Hi, I'm Jamie Pierson. I'm an associate professor at the Horn Point Laboratory, which is part of the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science down in Cambridge, Maryland. And my Chesapeake Forum course is From Plankton to Plastics, the Chesapeake under a microscope. So in this course, I'm going to introduce you to the plankton of the Chesapeake Bay, all different sizes of plankton. We're going to learn what plankton means. We're going to learn why plankton are important to you and to the bay and to the environment. Going to talk a little bit about dead zones because that's a lot of what I do. And then we're going to talk a little bit about microplastics in the bay, in our marshes, and we're going to focus on the Choptank River. And I'm going to talk about a new project that I have to study microplastics in the Choptank River. And so at the end of this course, you're going to understand a little bit more about the tiniest animals and plants and bits and pieces of the Chesapeake Bay and our river systems, and you're going to understand a little bit about why they're important and how we can keep our bay and water a little bit healthier through the things that we do.